Manojni.
This is Shruti. Nikita, what is this?
I'll tell you.
Why is it moving in forward direction?
I'll tell you. Here, the straw function to redirect the pressurized air escaping from the balloon. When the balloon is inflated and the car is set into motion, the deflating balloon will accelerate the air outside and causes the car to move in the forward direction. Here, the force caused by the air outside is more than that of the frictional force and causes the car to move in the forward direction. And this is mainly due to the pressure drop and about Newton's third.
Let us learn one of the property of fluid. We take a syringe filled with water and another syringe filled with oil. Now equal force is applied on the two syringes. Now within no time the water has been pushed out whereas the oil remains in the syringe. This is basically due to the resistance offered by the oil layers is more than that of the water layer. This resistance offered is called as viscosity. The viscosity of water at 60 degrees centigrade is 0.45 and that of oil is 13.3, which is more.
I'm here to explain an interesting fact about balloons and air.
Shruti, what is this?
Take a 30 centimeter scale and attach two balloons at each corner of the scale. Now, Manojini, if I blow the air between two balloons, what will happen?
Obviously, they move away from each other.
Let's see what will happen.
Okay. Why are they moving towards each other?
See, when you blow the air between these two balloons, the velocity increases. And this velocity is comparatively larger than the velocity of the surroundings. As per Bernoulli's principle, a low pressure is created between these two balloons and a high pressure in the surroundings. And this high pressure pushes the two balloons towards each other. And this is the concept behind this. For this reason, the balloons move each other.
Now we see how the flow area affects the flow of a fluid. We take two syringes, one with pebbles and water and other with only water. Now we find the efflux time. Within no time, the water is being pushed out in first case. This is because the flow area is more in the first case, therefore the velocity required is less, therefore the pressure drop is less. In this case, the flow area is less, therefore the velocity required is more and the pressure drop is more. This is the reason behind which the efflux time required for the second case is more than that of the first case.
We will discuss something about a hydraulic lift. A hydraulic lift is a device which is used to lift the loads in industries and in multi-stories buildings. In this video, I'll show you how a hydraulic lift works.
Actually, this is displaying the concept of mechanical advantage, but inversely. To convert it into a real jack, where we push the jack for a small distance and lift higher loads, we just have to invert the assembly. In this case, you can see that we are pushing the whole ice cream structure for a larger distance to lift the load for a small distance. A very